right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their fast bamboo wireless charger. It's 100% natural bamboo, built-in smart chips, multiple protection, and universal compatibility. There's your product and model information, as well as input voltage and output voltage, and as well as total protection for your devices. Overcurrent protection, lack voltage protection, over temperature protection, over voltage protection, short circuit protection. So let's open this up, see what it looks like. It's gonna be bamboo, I know that. So this is our included very nice USB-C type power adapter, as well as a nice USB-C type cable. And then this is, oh, that comes out, nice. The actual whole thing, wow. And lastly is the user's guide. Kind of tells you about it, how to use it, etc. That's it for the box. You can see, I'm gonna take this off. This is for your watch. You're able to put your watch charger in here, run the cable down and out to where it plugs in back here. Then you've also got an output here, as well as that's the input for the wireless charger that's like built into here. It's like right there. Even got a little light there as well, love that. But 100% bamboo, really like the look of this. And this magnetizes on and off. So nice and easy. That is really about what it would look like. And that would look nice on a nightstand, you know? You got your charger here for your AirPods, so you can set them there, they'll wirelessly charge, and then run your watch charger, and then of course your phone here, and then you can stick other stuff in here, whatever you may need, pins, etc. at your bedside. Wow, thanks to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.